3013 Northwest 65th Street, doing a camera inspection from a clean out on the west side of the house. We're sitting in the city main right now. As you can see, the water going to the east right now, headed down towards 24th, or yeah, headed to the east. So we're going to pull back from here and record as we go. I'm going to zero out my footage count, get a proper footage count of the 6-inch pipe and the 4-inch. I guess actually I should zero it out right here. Alright, zero it out there. That's all PVC. There was a repair done to the city main a little whiles back. Some roots. This is still 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Got a big root ball there. Some roots coming in and all the other bells, nothing severe. Now we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe. So we have 26 feet of 6-inch pipe. That's an ABS repair right there that was done at some point. And right here, you can see on the top of the pipe how we have the offset. You can see the lip of the next segment right there. And so what's happening here is that the downstream side has sunk a little bit to where you fall into this piece. There's also a sinkhole located about 5 feet above this exact spot. Looks like that's a cracked pipe. You see, that's your bell, and that's another bell, which is not supposed to be there. So there's a crack just going all the way across the bottom. Alright, there's a tie-in right there. This spot right here is located 5 feet deep, right on the northwest corner of the building. It also has a crack, a hole, a section of pipe missing right above that tie-in. You can see there on the top right-hand side of your screen. Coming back through roots all through this back section. They're not super severe, but they are coming in through just about every bell. There's another tie-in right here. We have tested the stuff inside the house. All of the lines leave through the main stack, which is where this cleanout is. We cannot find anything that's coming out of this tie-in. We believe this was formerly either a kitchen tie-in or a downspout tie-in that has since been abandoned. Alright, now we're coming up out of this offset piece of pipe right there. So, in order to line up into this ABS, we would need 49 feet of liner, 4-inch liner. And there's the stack coming to the right there, and below us is the downspout and the sump pump coming into the pipe. There's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.